In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font for an entire Google Slides presentation. This is a great skill to have in your toolkit, whether you're looking to give your presentation a fresh, unified look, or simply want to ensure brand consistency across all slides. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. This is your go-to tool for crafting beautiful professional presentations online. If you haven't already, open your web browser and type in Google Slides. Hit enter, and you should see the option to open Google Slides on your screen. If you're not signed in yet, you will need to sign in with your Google account. Ensure you are using the account that has access to the presentation you wish to modify. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you can either create a new presentation by selecting a blank presentation, or choose from a variety of templates they offer. Each template has its own set of colors and font choices, which makes it easier to find something that aligns with your aesthetic preferences. Alternatively, if you want to change the font in an already existing presentation, just find it in your list of saved documents. After your presentation is open, look to the menu at the top. You'll want to click on Slide. This option provides a drop-down menu, and from here you'll select Edit Master. The Slide Master view is where you can make changes that affect the entire presentation. In the Slide Master view, you will see a variety of layout options on the left, but also the master slide at the very top. This master slide dictates the fonts, colors, and layout options that all other slides will follow, unless individually changed. To change fonts throughout your presentation, click on the text element in the master slide. This might be the title font or the body text font, depending on what you want to alter. Now, you'll see your font options at the top. Select the drop-down arrow next to the current font to open a list of available fonts. Choose the font you prefer, and you'll see the change take effect immediately across all your slides. If desired, make adjustments to font size, boldness, or italics here as well. Once you're satisfied, click the X in the corner of the Slide Master view to exit and head back to your presentation. Take a moment to click through your slides to ensure everything looks just right, and that's it. You've successfully changed the font for your entire Google Slides presentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make your presentations just a little more polished and cohesive. Happy presenting!